this is Chrissy with Emergency Plumbing. How can I help? All right, I'm sorry to hear that's going on. We do have some appointments available tomorrow, arriving between noon and 3. Technician will give you a call on the way, just so we don't surprise you. And in light of recent things going on in the world, we are taking extra precautions. Our technicians are wearing protective equipment such as the mask, gloves, shoe covers. We have been sanitizing our equipment in between jobs, and we're doing frequent hand washing, and we've been doing temperature checks since about the pandemic started. So we really feel like we're ahead of the game with everything. Nobody's been sick. Just confirming nobody has been sick at your house within the last couple of weeks. Okay, great. I hope it stays that way for you guys. Everybody stays healthy. And we look forward to seeing you tomorrow between noon and 3. You have a wonderful rest of your day.